Hi everyone, I'm reviewing this really cute doorbell here. So I took it out of the box and this is what it looks like. This part plugs into the wall, so I'm going to plug that up over here. Just a second, here we go. Okay, sorry it's not going to reach. I have it plugged to my extension cord right there. So anyway, comes with the little screws there. Comes with this little sticky thing that you can stick to the back of this part. This is where you put it outside and you'll stick it like that and onto the door, or the edge of the door. This part, don't forget to pull it out. This part here is going to make that over there ring. You can also change the volume. See, it gets lower and higher again. Okay, and you can also change the melodies. So let's go through them. Christmas one right there. Another Christmas one. It's a happy birthday one. And there's the basic ringtones, rings. So that thing is awesome. So if you guys want to order one, the link to these are in the description. Definitely go and check it out. They're great to have. They're nice and loud. You can also adjust it if it gets too loud and you want it to sound lower. There's the button. You keep pushing it until you get the desired volume that you like. These change the tones, and I like that this also lights up. So also if you're hard of hearing or something like that, and you'll know that somebody's at your door when this part is lit up. But yeah, if you guys want to order one, the link to this product is in the description. Definitely go and check it out. And thanks so much for watching. Alright guys, have a great weekend.